Hello everyone. In this video, we will show how to publish a strategy script on Tradingview using the current pan editor layout, so everything on the screen matches exactly. This is helpful if we have built a strategy and want to publish it properly for documentation, sharing, or future updates. Let's get started. First, we log into our Tradingview account and open any chart. Now, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click Find Editor. This opens the editor panel where our scripts are located. Before publishing, we need to make sure the script is already working and applied to the chart. To confirm that it's a strategy, we just look at the icon next to the script name. It should look like this. If it shows a strategy icon, then it's a strategy script. Once we've confirmed that, it's time to save the script. To save it, click directly on the script name. At the top of the Py editor, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click Save Script. After saving, we click on Publish Script. Publishing happens in 2 steps, and this part is important. On the first page, Tradingview will ask whether we are publishing a new script or updating an existing one. On this page, we can edit the script name and the description. We should use a clear name and briefly explain what the strategy does, what market it is for, and how it is meant to be used. Let's give it an example description. Once done, click Continue. Now we will be taken to the second page called Final Touches. This is where the main publishing options are. First, we see the privacy settings. The public option will be subscription-based, meaning it may be locked if we are on a free plan, so we will stick with private. Below that, we see the visibility section. There are 3 visibility options: Open, Protected, and Invite Only. Both Protected and Invite Only are also subscription-based options. Protected lets users run the strategy without seeing the code. Invite Only restricts access to users we manually approve. Next is the category section. This part is optional, but we can use it if we want to organize our strategy by market type or trading style. Once everything looks good, click Publish. If this is our first time publishing, Tradingview may review our script before it goes live. That review process is normal. After publishing, our strategy will appear on our Tradingview profile, where we can publish new versions. Before we finish, here are a few quick tips. Always test the strategy before publishing. Public or invite-only options are not available on a free plan. To recap, open Find Editor from the bottom right corner. Confirm it's a strategy by looking at the icon. Click on the script name and select Save Script. Open the drop-down menu and click Publish Script. Edit the name and description on the first page. Set visibility and final touches, then publish. That's it. If this tutorial helped, like the video, subscribe for more Tradingview guides, and I'll see you in the next one.